So today we will be connecting a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with a WinkHub 2. When you buy a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch, the box will contain the following items: the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch, a product manual, and a flyer showing the GE Z-Wave product line. The GE Z-Wave Smart Switch receives its power by plugging it into a power socket. We open our Wink app on our mobile device. We tap on Add a Product. We search for GE Switch. And tap on GE Plug-in Smart Switch. We tap on Add to Wink. We proceed by plugging in the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch into a power socket. We tap on Next. We tap on Next. We tap on Connect Now. The WinkHub's LED will blink blue, indicating that it is in pairing mode. We proceed by pressing on the GE Z-Wave Action button found at the front of the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. The Wink app will indicate that it has found the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch and that the pairing process has been successful. We tap on Name Light. And we name the device name to Light as we plan to connect our GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with a lamp. We tap on Done. We have hereby successfully paired the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with the WinkHub 2.